Hello my dear students, get ready for today's EVS class. Students, today we will recall an old story about a fox and three brothers. In this story, the three brothers were trying to protect themselves from a wolf. They each built a house. One built their house out of hay, another built their house with sticks, and the last one built his house out of brick. The wolf came and said, I will huff and puff and blow your house down. Now tell me which brother had the strongest house and which brother's house would be the easiest to blow down. Yes, the brick house is heaviest and the strongest, so it will be difficult to blow the house down. So the third brother's house is strongest and for the first brother's house is easiest to blow down. Now students, tell me what is the house made up of? Let's discuss. Bricks, cement, mud and clay and iron rods are different materials used to make houses. Clear? Students, as you know, we are doing block 12 types of houses and today we will look at what materials were used to make different type of houses. Now please open your worksheet. S3 building materials, complete the table. Please look at the pictures of these houses. Now tell me what materials are used to make the houses you observed? Yes, huts. Huts, this one is a hut. Huts are made up of mud, clay and straw. Next one is stilt house, are made up of wood. They are built on wooden poles. Next one is igloo. Igloo is made up of snow. Clear? Next one is houseboats. Houseboats are made up of wood. A bungalow is made up of cement, iron, bricks, wood glass, marble and other things. Clear students? Now students, tell me why do you think different houses are made up of different materials? Let's discuss some important facts about this. Listen. The houses are made up of materials from around us. Igloo is made up of snow which is easily found there. Huts are made up of mud and straw because they are easily available in villages. The materials can help protect from the weather too. Thatched roof, you can see thatched roof made up of hay, straw and leaves can help in many ways. The straw, you can see the straw keeps the house cool in summers by blocking the sun. It also keeps the house warm in the winter by trapping the heat in the house. Next one is house on wheels are made up of wood because it keeps them warm in winters. Next one is bungalows are made up of cement and bricks to make them strong. I hope you understand. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, we use materials found around us to build our houses. What are other reasons we might make our houses from different materials? Students, the building materials we use can depend upon how much money we can spend. कि हम कितना मनी स्पेंड कर सकते हैं हाउस बनाने में, तो उसी वे में हम मटेरियल यूज़ करते हैं. अ मैन हु डज़ नॉट हैव इनफ मनी may use mud, clay or straw. On the other hand, a person who can spend money can also use marble and glass to build his home. I hope you understand that. Now students, please open your content book. Lesson number 3, different types of building materials. Let's start reading. Houses are built using different materials. Mud, clay and straw are cheap and easy to find. Huts have thatched roofs made from straw, hay and leaves. They keep the hut warm in winter and cool in summer. Next one is tent are made up of cloth. They are light to carry. People can use them if they have to travel. There are many materials used for building different kinds of houses. For example, stone, clay, husks, wood, bricks, cement or steel. Clear? I hope lesson is clear to you all. So your keywords are cement, straw and bricks. You have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now students, please open your worksheet. Complete the table. Which material are used to build the house and why? So stilt house के लिए कौन सा मटेरियल यूज़ किया गया है? वुड, बिकॉज वुड कैन ईजिली फाउंड देयर, वहाँ पे वुड ईजिली मिल जाती है, एंड would keep the house warm in winter. Next one is igloo. Igloo is made up of snow. Snow can easily found there. यहाँ पे आप write कर सकते हो snow, and you can write here snow can easily found there. Next one is a hut. So huts are made up of, किससे बनी हुई है huts? Straw से, and straw are easily available in villages. Next one is bungalow. Bungalow is made up of wood. Bungalow is made up of cement, bricks, iron, glass, marble. Clear? Because we can spend much money for the bungalow, and these materials keeps our house strong. Next one is a tent. So you can tent is made up of clothes and sticks. Clothes and sticks are easy to find and easy to carry if we are traveling anywhere. So second question is, why does a village have huts and house built up of bricks and cement? So the village houses depend on the money we spend. The building material we can use can depend upon how much money we can spend. A man who does not have enough money may use mud, clay or straw. On the other hand, a person who can spend money can also use marble and glass to build his house. Marble, glass, bricks and cement to use to build his home. I hope worksheet is clear to you all. Now students, you have to do practice question number 5. Which materials are used to make a bungalow? Yes, cement, bricks, iron, wood, glass, marble and other things. Sixth one is, what kind of house should you build if the place is rainy? So आपको बताना है कि अगर आपका प्लेस रेनी है तो आपको किस तरह का हाउस बिल्ड करना है. Yes, you will build a stilt house made up of wood. So students, you have to complete practice question number 5 and 6. Thank you everyone for watching this video.